In the arrangement of lifting, you have to understand the sling hitches. Hitch means how it is that the slings are attached to the load. That you have to understand. For example, vertical, bridle hitch, choker hitch, or basket hitch. So my name is MS Akhtar. I have 35 years of Middle East experience, and now I have started sharing my knowledge and experience so that you can become a competent safety professional. So let us discuss about the understand the sling hitches, how it is and how and what lifting capacity it varies depending on the different lifting arrangements, how you are attaching. So what is vertical hitch? Single sling configuration. That means the simplest rigging method, one sling connected load directly to hook in a straight vertical, okay, 90-degree vertical lines. So it gives maximum capacity, utilizes full sling capacity 100% when lifting straight upward with proper load balance. So third thing you have to understand, the load concentration best suited for balance stable load. For example, there is a one point and you can lift it with the one sling. So that is called the single straight vertical hitch. So best suited for balance stable load. Avoid using with loose or long material that may shift. Now, vertical hitch in action. You have to understand the load control. Tagline essential. Tagline you understand, which is the two ropes are attached to the load to balance the people are balancing the handling the load, managing the load movement and preventing dangerous rotation. So it should not swing or rotate in some awkward condition. It should not hit any object or the people. Inspection point, check sling condition, hook attachment and load center of gravity before lifting. Always lift from where you are lifting, the center of gravity. So safety zone, maintain clear area around lift path to prevent injuries from swing load. It should not swing. So you have to swing path. You have to understand. Now, what is basket hitch? Basket hitch configuration method is sling basket. You can understand there are 4 points it is attached and it is lifting. So sling runs underneath the load, underneath the from below it is wrapping load with both eyes attached to the lifting hook, creating a cradle effect. Cradle, you understand? Enhance capacity. So effective double lifting capacity to 200% at optimal 90% sling angle configuration. So it is wrapping the one sling which is having 7 ton. If it is a basket, it is making a cradle effect, and what is going to be capacity? 7 into 2, 14. So 200% increase. Angle dependency capacity decreases significantly as sling angle narrow 140 degree at 45 degree, 140% at 45 degree. Same sling, if it is in the straight hitch, it is 200%, but if it is 45 degree, for example, like this, if it is handled, then it is for 140 degree. Only 100% at 30 degree. You understand the angle of the slings attached to the load and what angle it is making. So load requirement ideal for balanced loads with uniform weight distribution and recommended for unstable materials. So if you are hosing it automatically it will become stable. So basket hitch variation and load control. Double basket hitch. Double basket means two slings you are using spaced apart provided superior balance and stability for wider load distribution weight more effectively, evenly. That you understand? Double wrap basket, sling wrap twice around load, provided enhanced grip on a smooth or loose material that might slip. If you wrap it, it will not slip also. For example, bunch of rods or bunch of plates. So critical safety note, always remember, always avoid sling overlap. Sling should not overlap, and continuously monitor sling position during the entire lifting operations to prevent load shifting or sling damage. If it can, if it is at the edge, if it, you have to put the pad so that the slings will not get damaged. Now, what is choker hitch? You are seeing this sling configuration, sling I wrap around the load. You are seeing this? It is wrapped. So it is, if it is wrapped, then it is a choker hitch. Sling I wrap around the load and passes through itself. Then passes through itself, creating a self-tightening loop. This is the eye, and you have put inside, and this is called the choker hitch. Load security provide excellent load control because it is self-tightening. Once you lift it, it will tight more. So it is a self-tightening control by automatically snugging the sling tight against the load surface. Capacity reduction, lifting capacity reduces to approximately 75 to 80% due to stress concentration at the choker point, because choker hitch will reduce to 75 to 80%. So ideal application, perfect for irregular or cylindrical load, so that because it will, once it is tight, is choke, then you have the load control requiring secure grip and controlled positioning. The bridle hitch, you can see the bridle hitch, how it is bridle hitch. Multi-leg assembly, the 4 point you have, it is same like basket, but it is a bridle. It is going to one point. So multi-sling leg, typically two or three, connected to a single lifting hook for enhanced stability. Load distribution distributes load weight evenly across all legs, improving stability and reducing stress concentration. Because there is no choker hitch, no, if it choke, because angle also you can minimize, you can increase the minimize so that the sling capacity can be more. Angle management capacity depends on sling angle and leg quantity. Careful angle management absolutely critical for safety, because the angle management, as I have told, the more angle it is, less bend. If you 30-degree if you do, then what will happen? The tension will be on the this one, then it can reduce up to 50%. It can go of the, maybe is 7 ton, it can lift only 3 ton. So heavy load application essential for heavy or awkward load requiring multiple balanced lifting points for safe handling. So this is called the bridle hitch. So now to summarize it, lifting capacity comparison summary. Vertical hitch, if you are doing a vertical hitch, it is 100% full sling capacity. Basket hitch, it will, in, for example, same basket, if you're putting it around the same sling, it is called the basket hitch, 200%. 7 ton can be, if you put it in a basket hitch, it is 14 tons. Choker hitch, if you choke, as I have told, in the eyes, if it is, it will choke, but the capacity will reduce to 75 to 80%. Bridle hitch is variables, depends on legs and angles. So best practice for safe rigging is pre-lift inspection. Always inspect slings, always slings inspection, hardware and load condition before each lift. Check for cuts, wears or damage that could cause failure. I will prepare a separate video on how to inspect the lifting tackles. Angle management, maintain proper sling angle above 30-degree always to prevent dangerous capacity loss, because at a 30%, if it is less, then it can break, because it is tremendous tension is there on the slings, and it can break also, it can fail. Lower angles create approximately higher stresses. Load control use taglines, as I have explained, taglines with vertical hitches to control load. Rotation never allowed personnel under suspended load during operations. So whenever you are lifting, the tagline attached to the load to control the awkward movement of the load, and it is very important, and never allow anyone to work to go past and being anywhere exposed to the load. Capacity compliance is strictly follow manufacturer's working load limit and maintain appropriate safety factors for all rigging components. Choosing the right hitch for your lift, it is very important. What I have explained you where it is more suitable. So vertical hitch best for simple stable load requiring full capacity and straightforward lifting operations. Basket hitch best for balanced load where doubled capacity is needed and proper angles can be maintained. Choker hitch is best for irregular or because it will choke the load. So cylindrical load requiring secure grip despite reduced lifting capacity. Bridle hitch, you have seen bridle hitch, you are putting it at one place. Heavy or complex load needed multiple point stability and controlled weight distribution. So remember, understanding these fundamental hitches ensure safer, more efficient lifting operation and protect both personnel and equipment. Watch this video 2-3 times so that because it is very difficult to digest and understand. So you have to understand how it varies the load lifting capacity of that sling. So you and it is very important for all the HC professional to know it. Thank you for watching this video. I again request all of you to subscribe my channel, like my channel, and give your comments how you are liking and what improvement I can make. Thank you for watching.